Hi, this is Jasmine Tohidi, and this week I wanted to do a quick video on who can you petition for as a green card holder versus a U.S. citizen. So green card holders can petition for their spouse, their children under 21, and any child that they have over 21 years old, provided that that child is unmarried. So those are the three categories a green card holder can petition for. What's the benefit of petitioning as a green card holder? One, when you apply for your spouse, any minor children are included in the I-130 petition. So you don't have to do a separate one. Meaning if your wife is, for example, in Sierra Leone with your 3 children, you only need to submit one I-130, which includes all of them, all 4 of them. And you will eventually have to do 4 separate green cards, but it does save you some money. As a U.S. citizen, you can apply for more kinds of relatives, which includes your brother or your sister. So only a U.S. citizen can apply for their sibling. The negative of that is it takes forever. I think right now the backlog is somewhere about 15 years. What's the nice part about it? When you file for your brother or your sister, it includes their spouse at the time the visa becomes available, and any children that they have that are under 21 when the visa comes, which is 15 years down the line currently. You can also apply for your parent, so that would be your biological parent, an adoptive parent if they actually adopted you before the age of 16. That has its own caveats as well. And also you can apply for your step parent, provided that your parent married your step parent before you turned 18 years old. In that category, there's not a backlog, so the process goes much quicker. U.S. citizens can, of course, file for their spouse to bring them. They can also apply for both their minor children, their adult children, and their married children. Each one of them has different processing times. I'll put a link to what's called the Visa Bulletin, which gives the processing times for each category for the I-130. When I refer to processing times, I'm not referring to how long it takes for the I-130 to be approved. It's how long does it take before you can actually apply for the green card. So there's a lot of common myths, like you can apply for your aunt, your uncle, your cousins, and that's not true. So those are the categories that you can apply for. Sometimes you can apply for a child that's adopted. I find that to be too complicated of an area of law for me to do. There's a lot of requirements, so I always refer those cases out. If you're trying to apply for an adopted child, I would do your research, and you may want to consult with an immigration attorney to help you through that process. If you have any questions or would like to petition for your spouse, you can call my office at 202-656-6571 to do a consultation. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for listening. If you like our videos, please subscribe.